you would be in an enclosed area, so where you don't want to have smoke and you don't want to have flame. So Cadweld Exolon makes the same kind of connection as Cadweld connection you would be most familiar with, but it just you don't have the flame and you have no smoke. So the molds come with a baffle. So this is the baffle, and we'll kind of assemble this all together, and this baffle will suppress the smoke.
Okay.
So there's Cadweld molds, there is specific welding material that goes with Exolon welding material that goes with the mold, and also an Exolon igniter. All right, you ready to do this? All right, so we're going to start out with, okay, so first I'm going to have you, so you're wearing the heat resistant gloves. The safety equipment you need are heat resistant gloves and safety glasses. So you are good to go. Okay, so what I do first is take the handle clamp and close it, please. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to have you put in the components that we're going to weld together. So today you are going to make a bottle opener. You'll see that there's an opening right there for your lug.
All the way?
You can put it in all the way to begin with, but we're going to back it out just a smidge. Okay, so then you put that into the other. Okay, and we're just going to back this out just a smidge, so that the welding material can get in between those two components when they're welded together. Good. This is Exolon welding material, so you'll need to put this disc into the crucible. There you go.
First try.
So then what you're going to do is, you're going to like unscrew this, and then pour it into, unscrew it, it'll be, it's okay. There you go. Pour it into it. Perfect. So next is we're going to have you put the pyrofuse. So this is a pyrofuse, and so this Exolon system works by igniting the pyrofuse. So I'm going to have you put this under the pyrofuse into this opening. Here, I'll show you. Into that opening on the mold.
All the way in?
Put about halfway, so about half the insulation. Very good. So you've got your welding powder, your components that you're welding, you've got your pyrofuse. Now all you need to do is to connect the alligator. So one goes to each side. And while he's connecting those clips, I should mention that before we put the components into the mold, we already cleaned them. So it's important that all of your components are cleaned before they go into the mold. So clean and heated. Okay, so now all you need to do is press the button.
You don't have to put anything on top.
Oh yeah, sorry. So take the baffle. Good thing you reminded me. Put the baffle. No, and it goes on top.
I thought it was like salt. I was like,
yeah. So there's filters. If you can tilt that. So included in here are filters, and so this is what will filter the smoke, and that's also what suppresses the flame. So kind of like screw it on just a tad.
It is what it's a chemical reaction. It's not an external heat source to it.
Okay. So then just press this. Press the button. Hold it. You missed it.
looked away because usually you have a flame, you look away. So
there's no flame to look away from. Isn't that awesome?
Perfect.
Okay, so then you can take off the alligator clips.
Just so used to being safe,
That's right. You're absolutely right. You are supposed to look away. That's right.
Ready?
Yeah, so here I should take off, so that'll need to be kind of like sort of take that off. Just set that down. All right. Awesome.
That's a good mold.
You take this and tap it. There you go. How's that for a beautiful Cadweld connection? And then you've got some, you can quench that and there's
Okay.
some water there just to cool it off, and you can keep that.
Bring that over. That's so cool.
That is a beauty.
Cool to
It's a
the
good one.
touch. Uh-huh.
So it's a little warm, but you hold
Okay.
just hold that insulated part. Take off the
Zip tie.
the zip tie.
Love it.
That's so cool.
My friend's gonna be so jealous back home. I'm gonna use this.
It's your channel. You do the honors. If you're
Oh,
gonna
they
do
got
it.
shears. That's cool. Didn't want to cut the handle. You know. Awesome. Thank you so much.
That's great. It was great to have you here.
Very cool.
Alrighty.
I was gonna get. Give a thumbs up.
So here at NECA 2024 San Diego, they just won the 2024 Showstopper award right here because of this technology, which is
The nVent ERICO Cadweld one-shot 3D mold. So it's 3D printing technology of ceramics to make single-use Cadweld connections to rebar or fence post.
which is what we just did and what we just showed you guys, which is making a bottle opener with a Cadweld. Very cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was awesome.
Yeah.
Great. Great to have you.